Hello there, and welcome to the first video in our business setup series. My name is Dwayne, and I'm going to take you step by step through the setup process. Before we get started, I want to take a look at what's called the important information document. You should have received this in an email by now. If you haven't done it yet, please copy that text out of the email and paste it into any text editor that you might have. The reason for that is we're going to be using this document to save important information, which you're going to be updating and saving as we go along. So if you haven't done that, please do that now. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create your website. If you already have a website, what you can do is you get your developer to create 2 pages for you. We're going to call them First Click and AFP. So what you can do is get your developer to create 2 pages for you, and all you need from them is the URL. If you don't have a website, we're going to go through the steps in creating a free website right now. So let's take a look. Go to your web browser and type in www.wix.com. Wix.com is a great website that allows you to create stunning websites, and it's all for free. First thing we've got to do is we've got to create a new account. So click on Start Now, and there you see Create New Account. Click on this. What you're going to do here is put in your email address and obviously your password, and then you click on Go. I'll just wait for this to complete. Right. What we need to do now is select a category for your website. What I'm going to do now is select business and services. And over here, I'm going to choose something that suits me. Let's go for advertising and marketing. Select that and click on Go. What happens now is they bring up tons and tons of templates for you to choose from. Setting up this website really is as simple as choosing the template that suits you and then making small changes to get the business set up running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through a couple of these until I find something that looks nice. Let's choose this one. Click on Edit. Well, what you can do, obviously, you can first view the site. That way you get a nice idea of what the site is going to look like. What you can see is all of this is just dummy information. All of this is dummy information. It's labels and paragraphs that you can edit as you go along. So let's say you like this site, the look of it. What you're going to do is at the top here, you see an edit button. Click on Edit. And you'll see the HTML editor opening up. This is where you can customize your site the way you want it. All right, so first of all, we're not going to spend time customizing what we see here right now. For the purposes of the setup, all we're going to do is create a new page. So go over here to the left. You see these are the different menu options you have. Go to Pages. Go down to Add Page. and choose blank. Put blank, click OK. And there you see we've got a new blank page. What we can do is scroll down to, here's the new blank page that you created. Click on page settings and give it a name. We're going to call this page first click. Go ahead and give it a name. You can change your page address. I'll just make it first click as well. And for now, these are all keywords and titles that you can add. We can customize all that stuff later. For now, let's just click on done. And as soon as you click on done, you'll notice up here, you've now got a first click page added to your list of pages. Next, we're going to create another page. So click back to pages, move down to add page, click on that, and we create another blank page. Click on OK. Here's the blank page we just created. Click on settings and give it a name. Let's call this one APF, and we give the same page address, APF. Click on done. You can close that. What I want you to do now is we're going to save this web page or the website as it is. So go over to the top right. Here you see save. Click on save. Now you need to choose a site name. You'll notice that this here is your email address, and the site name that you enter is going to be this section here. So I'm just going to call this test site. So that is now going to be the URL for your new website. Remember, don't call this test site, call this whatever you would like it to be. For the demonstration purposes, I'm just going to put in test site and click on save now. Right, so what we've done now is we've saved your site. What we need to do next is we need to publish your site so that people can find it online. That's what they're saying here. We need to publish a site. We can click OK. And let's go right over to publish. Right, this is talking about search engine optimization. Also talking about mobile websites. For now, let's just click OK. We can take a look at that later. And that's it. Congratulations, your site is published. So remember this is going to be the URL for your new website. So what I'm going to do now to check out what the website looks like, I click on that. And here we go. This is your website. What I want you to do now, and this is quite important, is to scroll to your first click that we just created. Scroll to that, click on it, and notice here at the top, this is the URL for your first click blank page that we created. What I want you to do is highlight this URL, right click and copy, and then go back to our important information document. You'll see here under Wix, you'll see first click capture page. Right click and hit paste. Then we can go back to your website navigate to APF, which is the second blank page that we created. Again, highlight this URL, copy, go back to our important information document and paste it next to APF capture page. Remember to save, and that's about it. That was nice and easy. Next, we're going to move on to getting your URLs for your smart media, your branding and marketing platform. I hope this is all easy and understandable so far. So, well done. Let's move on.